you for visiting my YouTube channel Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari Biswas, and today I am going to teach you Tigers of signature step from the movie Heropanti 2. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Let's start. So let's start with left leg, this leg. Okay, just I will show you slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Along with 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then do it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change leg and slightly jump. Okay, got it? From here to here. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4. Just stop here. Hope you have enjoyed this Tigers of signature step tutorial from the movie Heropanti 2. Then please hit the like button and comment me on the below comment section. Thanks for watching.